Welcome to Coventry, the UK's hidden gem that's closer to London than you think, and packed with surprises you'll wish you knew sooner. Coventry is in the heart of England, just 95 miles from London. That's about an hour on the train or under 2 hours by car. It's also only 20 minutes from Birmingham, making it perfect for day trips or commuters. With 3 major train stations and excellent bus networks, getting here is easy and affordable. Housing here is far more affordable than London. Rent for a 1-bedroom flat starts around £750 per month, while a 3-bedroom home can be purchased for around £220,000 to £350,000. Some of the most sought-after areas include Earlsdon, with its charming Victorian homes and buzzing cafe scenes, Stivekale and Chalesmore for leafy peaceful living, close to the centre, and Bingley Woods, a suburban escape popular with families. If you're happy to commute, the outskirts open up even more options. Just 20 minutes away, the town of Rugby offers great schools, quieter streets, and quick train links to both Coventry and London. Villages like Aldersley and Kenilworth combine countryside charm with city access, perfect for those wanting the best of both worlds. Coventry city centre is compact yet vibrant. You will find West Orchard Shopping Centre, which is the largest shopping mall in Coventry, Cathedral Lanes for dining, and a historic Coventry Market, famous for fresh produce and global street food. Education is one of Coventry's biggest draws. Coventry University ranks among the UK's top universities for student satisfaction, and the nearby University of Warwick is world-renowned for research and innovation. Families have plenty of highly rated primary and secondary schools to choose from. Hungry? Coventry has everything from cozy British pubs to exotic international cuisine. Try The Botanist for creative cocktails, or head to Farco Village for indie food stalls and street eats. For afternoon tea lovers, there are charming tea rooms dotted around the city. Healthcare is well covered here. University Hospital Coventry is one of the largest in the region, offering specialist care, while smaller clinics and GP practices make healthcare accessible, no matter where you live in the city. Here's what most people don't know. Coventry was the UK's City of Culture in year 2021. It's home to the largest cycle collection in the world at the Transport Museum. The Lady Godiva's famous ride happened right here over 1,000 years ago. For nature lovers, Coombe Abbey Park is a must-see escape just minutes from the centre. Coventry may not always make the tourist headlines, but its blend of history, economic appeal, culture, and connectivity make it one of the UK's most underrated cities. If you're visiting, studying, or even thinking of moving, this city might just surprise you. Which part of Coventry or the UK should we explore next? Drop your ideas in the comments.